Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw Ballerina Cappuccina with the dancing. Okay, let's go to the drawing. Now we draw to ballerina eye. This circle like this, same like here, and some hairs. Here's this side also, and in top side eyebrow, same like this here, and nose, the center like this, and mouth small up like this, and the top of the head here is same here. So join this line and top of here, join this line. After that, another one outer line here, same like this, and like this, and top line like this. This bottom line and top line is the same, like even. Another inside the flower, the cappuccino flower, this, and this one like this, it's lock, and like this, another one leaf is this, one like this, small leaf on this one. Okay, then we draw the face here like this, bottom here. Okay, it's curled. Join that. So this side also. Okay, then we draw the body. First we draw the hand. She's dancing like this on here and here. Okay, then another hand this side like this, is in dancing. Okay, then we draw his dresses. Okay, like that, and like this, this line here, and some designs here. Okay, then we skid a small line, small birds, it's a belt, small like this. After here, some zigzag method like this, and join here. After inside of the small, same like this, because she is now dancing. Then like that, let's see. Okay, then insert on seat and ribbon like this, same line, some detail here, like this side one, in here also, and the ear inside like this, after here, and yeah, and the leg. So like, and so okay, now our ballerina is alive. Now we going to draw the coloring. Now we bold up the drawing little bit. Now coloring the drawing, the skin color first. And coffee color for top, and belt color orange, and inside this then green color, and the skirt color pink. Wow, our ballerina cappuccino is dancing now alive. They are very beautiful. If you are like this video, kindly subscribe me and like this video and share your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you friends. See you next video.